AIADMK chief Jayalalitha has called the Congress-DMK alliance trouble a farce. She's threatened that the resigning from the union cabinet by DMK ministers was a drama. Jayalalitha goes on to say the farce has been played out. The cat is finally out of the bag. The truth now there is for all to see. The DMK and the Congress successfully shared the spectrum loot between themselves. Joining us now on the phone line is our correspondent Vikram Gopinath. Vikram, you've been following all the details on this story. Jayalalitha now says the DMK-Congress alliance tension was a farce. What do we make out of this statement by Jayalalitha?
Well, Rhythm, now that the lines have already been drawn for the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections in 2011, it is very clear that the Jayalalitha AIADMK chief is lashing out at both the DMK and the Congress, very clearly saying that the whole alliance drama that was played out in the past 3-4 days was a farce, and the people will definitely see through it when Assembly elections come up. She's also lashed out at the DMK chief, saying that he had not taken up several other issues like the Sri Lankan issue or the fishermen being killed. Several issues were always in the backlight, and he only used to send letters to the Prime Minister. But when it comes to getting more seats for his own party, he has actually forced his ministers to resign. So this she clearly tells that this is a farce, and this will definitely the people will be definitely able to see through in the coming assembly elections.
Now, Madhav, now Vikram, another question to you. Some days back when the entire farce was being played out, according to Jayalalitha, when in fact DMK leaders were here in the capital at that time, she herself had said that she might be planning to have some sort of joining of forces with the Congress. Probably that's not happened. But once again, the question to you, why would she go ahead and make this statement that the Congress-DMK alliance tension was a farce at this stage?
Well, it's as simple as that, because now that the DMK and Congress have come out of the formal agreement for the assembly elections, now it is very clear that they are the ruling party at this point of time, that the opposition is taking on the ruling party. There were definitely some time back, a couple of months back, when Jayalalitha gave us an option, gave on times now the Congress an option of joining the AIADMK, but now that everything has fallen apart and the DMK and the Congress have formally signed an agreement, Jayalalitha has taken on both the DMK and the Congress, lashing out on several issues, right from the price rise issue to the 2G spectrum scam. So the Jayalalitha is following the opposition's role at this point of time.